Clearing your search history on Venmo can help maintain your privacy and declutter your account. Follow these steps to easily remove your search history. Step 1. Open the Venmo app. Launch the Venmo app on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your account to access all features. Step 2. Navigate to Settings. Tap on the menu icon, usually represented by 3 horizontal lines or a profile icon, to access your account settings. Look for the Settings option in the menu. Step 3. Select Privacy. In the Settings menu, find and select the Privacy option. This section allows you to manage your privacy settings, including search history. Step 4. Clear search history. Within the privacy settings, look for an option related to search history. Tap on Clear search history or a similar option to remove your previous search entries. Step 5. Confirm the action. A prompt may appear asking you to confirm that you want to clear your search history. Confirm your choice to complete the process. By following these steps, you can successfully clear your search history on Venmo. Regularly managing your privacy settings can help you maintain control over your account.